Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to talk about functions. So let me close all of these files and let's create a new file which is a PHP file and name it functions.php. Okay, so that's our functions file. So now let's consider a scenario that why we use functions. So if we want to add two numbers, for example a and b, so we have to write it again and again. So $a is equal to 3 for example, and $b is equal to 4 for example. So what will we do? Echo $a plus $b. Okay, but now if we want to add some other two numbers, so what will we do? We will write it again. For example, $c is equal to 5 and $d is equal to 6 for example, and we will add it. So echo $c plus $d. So let's check it first. And now you can see the results. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Okay, but we have to write these again and again. But what if we want to add 100 numbers or 1000 numbers? So we will have to write all these again and again. So for this purpose we will use functions. So now let me remove these and we create a function by a keyword function, and then we give a name to the function, for example add, and this is the syntax of the functions, and we write our code inside these curly brackets. Okay, so what will we do? We will echo $a plus b. Okay, so we will write it here and we will assign values to the variables, which is $a is equal to 3 for example, and $b is equal to 2 for example. And now if we see it, I forgot the dollar sign. So now if we check it, we will see nothing, as you can see. Why? Because we haven't called this method. So let's call it. So how can we call it? We will use the name of this function. So add, and in this way we can call a method. So let me check it now, and we can see 5 here and the result of 3 plus 2. But this is not the right way. So let me remove that, and we will pass these right here. For example, $a comma $b. Okay, and we will write it here. So for example 2 and 4. So this 2 will be passed to this a and this 4 will be passed to this B. So and these will be then passed to here and will be added. Okay, now let's refresh the page, and that's 6. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now you can see we can use it again and again by changing its values. So for example 5, okay, for example 3 right here, for example 3 and 6, for example 7 and 8. So now we don't have to write this again and again, and we will call just that function. So let's refresh. Now you can see all the results. Okay, so now let's echo it with the BR so you can see it clearly, and let's check it again, and now you can see 6, 9, 5, 9 and 15. But this is not the right way. So now let's remove this, and we will return the value from the function. So we will use return. Okay, so this value will not be shown to us in the browser right now. You can see nothing here. So what we will do, we will use the echo method right here. So I will just do it for 1. So now let me refresh the page, and now you can see 6. If I echo the second one too, so you will see its value, which is 9. Okay, so that's about functions. That's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next video.